Today we talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your Wearfit app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here. You click here on me down here. You just click on it. So when you click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on your name here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on photo here. So then it's going to take you to this list in here. You just click on it using the app. Then it's going to take you to select photo you want to add on your profile on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. You just follow these ways. Then it's going to work.